Number 9, we're supposed to find x. Well, this is angle A, this is angle B, and this is angle C. It's a triangle, and angle A plus angle B plus angle C will equal 180 degrees. Angle A is 40 degrees, plus angle B, which is 80 degrees, plus angle C, which is 30x degrees. All right, we're going to combine like terms. So what are like terms? This is a constant, does not have a variable. This is a constant, does not have a variable. This has a variable. The variables can't be combined with the constants. They're not like terms. So 40 plus 80 is 120. And then 30x just stays by its lonesome. And we're just combining like terms on both sides of the equation. So 180 is good. It's simplified. Now, I'm going to subtract 120 from this side and subtract 120 from this side because I got to get x by itself and all the other stuff on the other side of the equal sign. To move the 120, I do the opposite operation. I'm technically adding 120 to 30x, so I'm going to subtract 120 to cancel this out. And then whatever I do on one side of the equation, I have to do to the other side to keep it balanced. 120 minus 120 is 0. 0 plus 30x is just 30x. 180 minus 120 is 60. I got to move the 30 away from the x. 30x is 30 times x. The opposite of multiplying by 30 is division. I'm going to divide by 30. Whatever I do on one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other. 30 divided by 30 is 1. 1 times x is x. 60 divided by 30 is 2.